Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by identifying the stain, so you choose the correct chemistry. Oil, protein, dye, or tannin behave differently. Blot gently with a clean cloth to lift excess. Do not rub because that forces the stain deeper. Next, mix 1 part dish soap with 1 part water and apply to the stained area. You want surfactant to break oils and lift particles. Once done, let it dwell for 5 to 10 minutes so the soap loosens the stain before the next step. You rinse the treated area by flushing from the center toward the edges to avoid spreading the stain. Use cool water for protein stains and warm for oily ones. If it's a protein or dye stain, apply an enzyme cleaner or oxygen booster according to label directions. These target molecules and lift them from fibers. Once applied, gently agitate the fabric with a soft brush or your fingers to work the solution into the weave. Then rinse thoroughly until the water runs clear so residues are removed. You finish by checking the stain before drying because heat will set any residual marks, so air dry or use a fan. If a trace remains, retreat with an enzyme soak at room temperature and repeat gentle agitation. Once gone, rinse and air dry. If the stain has already set, test a diluted bleach or color-safe whitener on an inconspicuous seam. Use only on color-fast fabrics. Troubleshooting tip: if color changes or fabric weakens, stop and consult a professional cleaner to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.